Welcome back to Photo Finish Garage. Just doing a really quick video for those of you interested in where your fuel pump relay is in your truck. Come open the hood. You have your fuse box here. Real quick, fuel pump relay number 8. Right here, if you look at the diagram, number 8, it's along this top row of relays. So that's our fuel pump relay. If you come over here to number 27 on our diagram, fuse number 27 is a 20 amp. It's a fuel pump relay fuse. Then if you come over here to number 61 is our fuel pump relay diode. Just for anybody that's interested, I know I'm going to be working on the fuel system of my vehicle, so I need to pull that relay so I can let the fuel out of my fuel lines so I can do some work on the injectors. But anyways, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.